Today I have a visit to a one-bedroom apartment at Parkgate Residences by Al Wasl. So as you enter, this is a semi-closed kitchen. You can close it from here as well. Good space of kitchen with the space of fridge, washing machine, cooker, even dishwasher. You can place it here. Next to the entrance is the storage space, small storage space. Then you have a laundry room, quite good size. Powder room here. And this is the lounge area and the dining area. So I'll go to the balcony from here. This is a park view apartment facing the Sheikh Zayed Road side and the park side. This is Jafiliya metro station. That's Sheikh Zayed Road, first interchange near Trade Center. So this is the balcony. Entrance from the bedroom. So again we are in the lounge area. Quite good size, about 1000 square foot. This is the bedroom. So bedroom has a good space plus balcony access as well from here. Floor to ceiling glass. Walk-in closet. Good space here in the cupboards. And the attached washroom of the bedroom, which has a standing shower plus bathtub. So this is a one-bedroom apartment. You will have all the details in the description of the video. About 1000 square foot available for rent in Parkgate Residence Tower C at Al-Jafiliya Kifaf, next to Kifaf Center, near to Zabil Park. So for all the information, other information, you can contact the number which is available in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please click the subscribe button and the notification button as well. Thank you.